Are you struggling to make ends meet but still need to put food on the table? You're not alone. But I'm here to tell you, there is hope. And you eat well even on a tight budget. Today we're going to discuss 10 different ways to tackle that grocery budget and make sure that you can provide good, healthy, tasty food with tons of nutritional value for you and yours. We're going to make the most of every penny and stretch those dollars further. Let's start with the foundation of a budget-friendly pantry staples. Think rice, beans, lentils. Oh my goodness, lentils are a lifesaver. They're packed with protein and fiber and they're so versatile. You can make soups, stews, dips, even veggie burgers with lentils. Don't forget pasta, a family favorite. Flour, oats for those hearty breakfasts that stick to your ribs, and of course potatoes. These humble ingredients are not only affordable, but they're also shelf-stable, so you can buy them in bulk without worrying about them going bad too quickly. Over the years, I've collected so many amazing recipes that stretch these basic ingredients into delicious and satisfying meals. Once you start stocking up on these pantry staples, you'll be amazed at how many different meals you can create without breaking the bank. Now that we've got our pantry stocked with those budget-friendly staples, it's time to talk about meal planning. First things first, take inventory of what you already have on hand. Rummage through your pantry, peek in the fridge, and see what treasures you can unearth. Next, browse those grocery store flyers and see what's on sale. Building your meals around sale items is a fantastic way to save money. Once you've got your meals planned, make a detailed grocery list and stick to it. Avoid those impulse purchases, my friend. Trust me, with a little planning and effort, you can conquer those grocery bills and serve up delicious, budget-friendly meals every single night of the week. All right, folks. Let's talk about one of the most effective ways to save money on food cooking at home. When you cook at home, you're in control. You get to decide exactly what ingredients go into your food, which means you can avoid those unhealthy additives, preservatives, and excess sodium that often lurk in processed foods. Plus, you can adjust the portion sizes to your liking, which can help prevent food waste and those extra calories that can sneak up on you. Think of it this way. Cooking at home is an act of love, so ditch those takeout menus, dust off those aprons, and let's get cooking. My savvy shoppers, let's talk about how to navigate those grocery store aisles like pros and make those dollars stretch further. Whether you're shopping for a family or just for yourself, these tips will help you save money and make smarter choices. Never underestimate the power of comparison shopping. Take the time to look at different brands and sizes to see which offers the best value. Check the unit price, which is usually listed in small print below the regular price. This small detail can make a big difference in your overall spending. This tells you the price per ounce, pound, or gallon, so you can easily compare different brands and sizes to find the best deal. It's a simple step that can lead to significant savings over time. And speaking of brands, don't be afraid to embrace those store brands. They often offer the same quality as name brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Often they're made in the same factories as those name brand products, just without the fancy marketing and hefty price tag. So why pay more for the same thing? Keep an eye out for those weekly flyers, which can alert you to special deals and discounts. Check online for digital coupons, which can be easily applied at checkout for additional savings. And consider joining your grocery store's loyalty program. Those points add up. Over time, you can earn discounts, free items, and other rewards. Once you've got those essentials, venture into the inner aisles for those pantry staples and sale items. Stocking up on these can help you avoid last-minute, more expensive purchases. A silent budget drainer: food waste. Embrace the power of proper storage. Invest in some reusable containers, give those herbs a little spa treatment by trimming their stems and storing them in water, and don't overcrowd your fridge. Proper airflow is key. Leftovers are your secret weapon for budget-friendly meals. Instead of letting them languish in the back of the fridge, repurpose them into new and exciting dishes. That roast chicken from Sunday dinner? Shred it up and use it for tacos, soup, or salad. Those roasted vegetables? Toss them into a frittata or quiche. By minimizing food waste, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing your environmental impact. Eating healthy on a budget. Prioritize those nutrient-dense foods. Think leafy green vegetables, colorful fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Now let's talk about frozen vegetables and fruits. They're your secret weapon for affordable nutrition. Plus, they last much longer than fresh produce, so you don't have to worry about them going bad too quickly. Those packaged convenience foods might be tempting, but they're often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium, and they offer very little nutritional value. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods, embracing frozen fruits and vegetables, and limiting those processed foods, you can nourish your body without emptying your wallet. The magic of DIY, those three little letters that can save you a bundle, DIY or do it yourself, is not just a trend. It's a lifestyle that empowers you to take control of your expenses and your health. One of the easiest things to start with is beverages. Making your own drinks at home can be incredibly satisfying and surprisingly simple. Think about it. How much do you spend on soda, juice, and fancy coffee drinks? These daily or weekly purchases can really add up over time. Those costs can add up quickly. Before you know it, a significant portion of your budget is going towards these beverages. But with a little effort, you can make your own refreshing drinks at home for pennies on the dollar. Imagine the satisfaction of sipping a drink you made yourself, knowing exactly what went into it. Snacks are another area where you can save big by going the DIY route. Homemade snacks are not only cost-effective but also healthier. Instead of reaching for those pre-packaged snacks, which are often full of unhealthy ingredients and marked up in price, why not whip up your own tasty treats? It's easier than you think. Think homemade granola bars, roasted chickpeas, air-popped popcorn, or fruit salad with a dollop of yogurt. These are just a few examples of how you can enjoy delicious, healthy snacks without breaking the bank. DIY isn't just about saving money. It's about taking control of what you consume, reducing your environmental impact, and experiencing the joy of creating something delicious from scratch. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Let's talk about one of my favorite money-saving strategies, coupons. Coupons have been around for ages, and they are still one of the best ways to save money on everyday purchases. Embrace the power of coupon apps. These apps are designed to make your life easier and your wallet happier. There are so many fantastic apps out there that make saving money on groceries a breeze. From weekly deals to special promotions, these apps have it all. Simply download your favorites, browse the available coupons, and add the ones you want to your digital cart. It's as easy as a few taps on your screen. Then, at checkout, just show the cashier your phone, and watch those savings roll in. It's like magic. You'll be amazed at how much you can save with just a little effort. And while you're at it, why not join your favorite store's loyalty programs? These programs often come with additional perks. Many grocery stores offer loyalty cards or apps that give you access to exclusive discounts, personalized coupons, and rewards points that you can redeem for free groceries or other perks. It's a win-win situation. By taking advantage of coupons, discounts, and loyalty programs, you can stretch your grocery budget further and have more money left over for the things that matter most. So, start clipping, downloading, and saving today. Something that's near and dear to my heart: community support. Check out your local food banks and pantries. These organizations provide free groceries to those in need, no questions asked. Another great resource is community centers. Many community centers offer a variety of programs and services to support families, including food assistance programs, cooking classes, and community gardens. And don't forget about those government assistance programs. Programs like SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and TFAP, the Emergency Food Assistance Program, provide financial assistance and food benefits to eligible individuals and families. You're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of support out there ready to lend a helping hand. One of the most rewarding and empowering ways to save money on food: growing your own. Start small and simple. Herbs are a fantastic gateway into the world of gardening. Basil, parsley, cilantro, mint. The possibilities are endless. Simply plant them in pots, water them regularly, and watch them flourish. Lettuce and other leafy greens are also great choices for beginner gardeners. Tomatoes are another classic garden staple that's relatively easy to grow. And those vertical gardening techniques. If you're short on space, consider growing your plants vertically using trellises, hanging planters, or stacked planters. So get your hands dirty, plant some seeds, and watch in amazement as your edible garden comes to life. And there you have it, my friends. 10 smart ways to save money on food when you're feeling the pinch. Eating well on a budget is all about being resourceful, planning ahead, and making those dollars stretch as far as they can go. You've got the power to nourish yourself and your family without breaking the bank. It just takes a little creativity and determination. If you want to start building up your pantry, check out this playlist right here. It's packed with tips and tricks for creating a well-stocked pantry that will help you weather any storm. Until next time, everybody, be safe and stack it to the rafters, my friends.